When you open your mind to the impossible, sometimes you find the truth. Builderall is the most complete and affordable digital marketing platform. That is why most people think there is a catch. So, a free trial is the solution.
Welcome to the SMS tool inside Builderall. I'm here on the main dashboard, which can be accessed once you click on apps and click on SMS. Here on my right, I can see my SMS balance, which is the total amount of money I have in US dollars that I can spend sending text messages, okay? So if I click here on this blue button, I can purchase more credit if I want to send more messages. And if I go back, I can start taking a look at categories, persons, the pricing table, as well as how to send a message. So if I click here on categories, I have the option of registering a new category. And by clicking here, I can write whatever I want as a name, and I can click on save. Once this is done, if I want to change the name, all I gotta do is just click here on this icon, and by clicking on the icon with people, I can start including people from the persons list to the category. So let's say that I build a funnel and I get some leads from that funnel. If I want to include every lead I got from that funnel and transfer them from the persons list to the category I just created, which could be named funnel, I could just do so by clicking here on add. So it's a good way for you to filter people based on how you converted the lead, for instance, okay? If I could click here on persons, I have the option of registering a new person. And here I choose the country in which the person lives. I can also include the person's email and name, and of course, their phone number, okay? So I can include the phone number. I just have to remember to include the country code, followed by the state code, and then the actual phone number. So in my case, I would put 1, since my number is an American number, followed by Florida, which is 407, and then which is the state code, and then I would proceed on to finishing up this number, okay? And then if I click on SMS pricing table, I have the option of looking for the exact price that I would pay on a unit, depending on the country, okay? So I can either insert the code here or write the country name. Let's just say Brazil, for instance. And if I click here, I have the option of finding out the code number and the unit price, okay? It's important to remember that the unit price is in US dollars and that you pay for every message sent, not every message written. What that means is that, let's say that I write one message for 20 people. I'm gonna pay 0.09 US dollars if I'm sending to 20 people in Algeria. And I'll pay this price times 20 because I'm sending it to 20 leads, okay? If I send this to one lead, I'm just gonna pay 9 cents on this, okay? And finally, I'll be taking a look at the Send SMS tab. Here, I can choose the category that will receive the message, and I can choose just by clicking here. If this button is blue, it means that it's clicked in, and I can also add people that are not actually part of the list. So if I want to include a certain category and some people that are not from the list, I can do that as well. And here, I can just type my message, and by clicking send, my message will be carried out and sent